Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to use your Temu seating balance. So let's get into a video. So if you are up on your Temu seating program, so if you're an influencer, so you have signed up to as an influencer, so for example you have already logged into your account. So this is my account here. So once you've logged in and everything, so you've got some balance, you have earned some balance, some seating balance and stuff. So what you can do, you can once you have earned sufficient balance, you can actually try to cash. You can open it up and you can try to cash these out if you have sufficient balance. And also apart from that, you can also use these for your purchase on Temu itself. So when you can use these balances for your, if when you have the sufficient amounts, so you can use this to make your purchases on Temu as well. And so if you want to earn more, so you can simply just try to share more on your social media pages and try to share more on Temu, and then you will receive more balances that you can use later. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video.